Hey y'all, this is Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to go down below and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll get all notifications. Also, please remember to share this video with other people that you think might be interested in my channel. And remember, please, it's very important if you'll please give this video a thumbs up. That way YouTube knows that people are liking my channel, my videos, and that helps my channel to grow more. So now we'll get on to this. This is just a very quick little video. Now the celebration ended, so that's over with, but there are still things on clearance and some other new products out. So please go to Stampin' Up and check out everything that's going on. They're always putting up new things on clearance. There's always something new going on. So you know, you should always go check it out every day. Every day there's always something different on Stampin' Up. But my host code that was up is no longer good. It's expired now, unlike when I thought the date was, because I have made a purchase myself which has closed out the host code. I wanted to take advantage myself of the celebration and all, but anyway, here is the new host code for y'all to be able to go and purchase now the paper pumpkin kit that is coming out for April. And I have posted just a short clip from sorry for the interruption, y'all. Anyone who has dogs, I'm sure you know how that is. Okay, where was I? As I was saying, here is the new host code, and if you'll go to my Facebook like page, there is just a small short clip of video of what the paper pumpkin's going to be about. It's going to be all about like family, and I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be one of the real top-notch paper pumpkin kits. I'm not sure what the colors are. I haven't seen anything on that. They haven't really shared the colors. I haven't really checked today, but go watch the video. I think you're really going to like the kit that's coming out. Even if you don't do cards, you could use this for scrapbooking, or sorry, that's the dogs over there drinking water. You could use it for all kinds of any kind of paper crafting, just about anything. So just remember that. And then, like I said, you can use this code for right here for any paper pump, any Stampin' Up product. So, and all you have to do is put that code in, and they will know that you are purchasing from me. I also found that out when you use that code. So, and that begins on April 3rd. So, and I will let you know when that does expire. I will tell you ahead of time. Now the paper pumpkin, you only have until the 10th of April, and I may end up getting a new host code after that. So just to make it easier, I don't know yet, but so far this is the code until then, and I will let you know. So that's all, and I just stuck these cards down here. I wasn't sure if I shared that these are from another paper pumpkin kit, like a month or so ago, and I don't think I ever got to show them, so I was just thought I'd lay them here and share them. It's to feel better soon, and a birthday card. They were laying here, and I thought I must not have shared them. I don't know, but I thought they were pretty, so I just laid them here so I could share them. And so that's it. And I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and I hope y'all have a blessed day, blessed evening whenever y'all are seeing this. Remember to keep watching for more videos, and stay tuned. Here at the end, you'll see some videos popping up. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.